One extremely useful step in the pre-search stage of research is investigating background information on your topic. This video will briefly illustrate some of the benefits of background research. Before you begin gathering research and evidence about your topic, it's important to grasp an overview. In other words, do some preliminary research before you research. There are many benefits to doing so, and many sources that may help you. Most of us are familiar with Wikipedia, a common place to visit when you're seeking a brief introduction to a topic, an issue, a person, or an event about which you have questions. So let's search organic foods. Immediately in the first few paragraphs, you find a definition, core issues, core events. Notice, too, that much of this information is footnoted with citations. This illustrates another benefit to background research, citation tracking, which may lead you to experts or seminal works on your topic. In other words, you may identify the original sources used and find them yourself. So Wikipedia is clearly a popular and familiar place to look, but there are many other academic sources available to you. Here's a page representing a search in a CU library resource called Gale Virtual Reference Library. The search on organic foods provides a number of links to specialized and discipline-specific academic reference sources. So whether you're exploring the scientific implications, the nutritional implications, or the cultural ones, these encyclopedia articles will provide excellent overviews. Here's another example of a CU library background resource called CQ Researcher. You'll find links to this resource and many others at the end of the module. But notice in this resource, you can find an overview, background, outlook, pros and cons, a chronology, and a bibliography. Background information will help you gain important details about your topic, things like key people, key events, key terms and phrases, as well as important controversies and questions. So researching the background for your topic will not only introduce you to the conversation, but as you move forward, it will help you to ask more specific questions that will direct the next phase of your research.